these. Top-of-the-range designer sledges. And yes, they go fast all right. But at over £100 each and designed by top car engineers, they should. We haven't got £100, and even if we did, we wouldn't waste it on a slidey thing. Because we've got our own toys. The question is, can any of them go faster than this lot? 14.6 seconds to beat then. First up, the ironing board. Cost £8. The stand, surplus to requirements, of course, and the foam cover would just mean unwanted drag. However, despite its sledge-like shape, the ironing board failed to live up to expectations. This paddling method the only way to get it down the slope. The front blade digging into the snow all the way. It came in at 20.8 seconds. Bit crap, really. Tea trays, £3 each, might stand more of a chance. We're going to try 3 types: plastic, steel and wood. Though clearly not designed for the purpose, trays make a good showing early on. Plastic an early faller, leaving metal and wood to battle it out. Wood struggles halfway down, but is in luck as metal comes a cropper, so he comes through unexpectedly to take the line. A slow run though, 17.7 seconds. Bit late for that, mate. The race is over. This 2-man operation, towing a Brainiac in a wetsuit, was quick, but with only one of them actually crossing the line, it doesn't score. The boiler insulating cover started promisingly, but then went into a bit of a spin halfway down. Sideways rotation, not the best way of descending a hill. The suitcase and the office packing case, in truth, never really got going. None finishes both. So, last up, a large inflatable armchair, the inner tube from a lorry tyre, and a blow-up girl. On your rubber, get set, go! And well, that's it for the girl. Her chances vanish with an undignified pop. But the tyre's off like a rocket, and while the armchair suffers a spectacular fall, the inner tube keeps going. 14.6, the Sledge's time to beat, and yes, he's done it! A magnificent 13.9 seconds. So if it's speed you want and you don't mind looking a prat, steer clear of ironing boards, tea trays, cases and covers. Pack a lorry inner tube for the slopes on your winter holiday.